Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Westbrook, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're planning to move internationally or interstate, team up with our professionals to ease the load of planning and managing every aspect of the long-distance move. Our team can do the job half of the time. The unskilled person completes the whole process. Moreover, you may not be aware of the right way to handle the fragile or heavy items. This can result in ending up scratching or breaking your precious items. So if you're worried about your expensive and antique items, stay relaxed as our packers know the best methods to pack, load, and unload your belongings while making sure to settle your belongings at your new spot safely. At our company, your precious belongings have been covered under insurance. Moving locally to Westbrook, Maine is easy with the assistance of local movers. However, one of the important factors while moving locally is cost. It's the main reason people avoid hiring professionals in the thought of saving money. However, adding up the cost of renting trucks, paying drivers, and buying the packing material would not be less than paying for professionals. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Westbrook moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.